You've likely spent years honing the perfect keyword search. But AI search engines don't just see your keywords, they understand your intent. This was the old method. Short, fragmented queries, trying to guess the right words. This is the new method. Long, conversational questions that describe exactly what you need. We will now break down why this shift happened, how it works, and give you the new playbook to succeed. Traditional search was simply a word-matching game. It looked for the exact terms you typed. AI search is a comprehension game. It's built to understand context, synonyms, and your goal. This is called semantic search. It doesn't match your text, it matches your meaning. So how is this massive leap in understanding possible? It's not magic. It's a stack of technologies. It begins with large language models, or LLMs. These are the brains trained on trillions of words. LLMs use natural language processing, or NLP, to deconstruct sentences and understand conversational nuance. For current facts, they use Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, to find fresh web data before answering. This tech stack is exactly why focusing on single keywords misses the point. You're feeding a word to a system hungry for a sentence. In practice, you can ask vague things like, "That movie with the spinning top that confuses everyone." It can personalize results based on your location, past searches, and even your likely expertise. And it often delivers the answer right on the results page, creating zero-click searches. But this creates a huge problem. How do you win if nobody clicks your link? You'll find out the surprising answer soon. This new intelligence has a downside for old-school tactics. The most common one? Keyword stuffing. Trying to jam your page with keywords is now a red flag. It signals low-quality content and can harm your visibility. So if keywords are out, what is in? How does an AI judge a web page's quality and relevance? It uses a framework called EEAT. This stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Does your content show firsthand experience? Is it from a credible expert on a trusted site? These are the new ranking factors. The focus has shifted from keyword density to topical authority and how well you satisfy the user's entire intent. Now let's solve that zero-click problem. Your new goal isn't the click. It's to be the source the AI cites in its answer. You do that by combining the EEAT framework with content that is easy for the AI's RAG system to digest. This means clear structure, descriptive headlines, bullet points, and FAQ sections. You are formatting your expert content for a machine. A user's conversational query is prompt engineering for the AI. Your well-structured content is the perfect prompt answer. The takeaway is simple but profound. The entire game has changed. We've moved from a search of words to a search for meaning, and the evolution isn't stopping. The future is multimodal, with AI understanding your text, voice, and visual queries together. So, stop chasing keywords. Start obsessing over your audience. Answer their questions more thoroughly and clearly than anyone else. Because if you create content that genuinely helps a person, the AI will find you. What's the most surprisingly human conversation you've had with a search engine recently? Share your experience in the comments below.